Hey guys, so I owe you an update because I said I was going to update with the bottling machine, and so let me get you an update like right now. Boom. All right, so here we go. So here's the bottling machine in action. All right, Brett, hit it. Replaced the solenoids with the servo. And here, coming in now. That's basically, we like to turn the bottles this way so we can see it coming up. So that is filling. It takes about, how long? Right now, this new system takes 64 seconds. And then we can balance it based on these knobs.
They're pretty well timed, so it should.
There it goes. Very good. All right, now what's happening down the other end? So here we go. Next step, capping. Unfortunately, that third ball didn't make it. Must have been camera shy. Put the caps on top. Hit the button. Boom. So there it is, filled and capped. So there you have it, everybody. That's the bottling machine in action. And what does a bottling machine make? Lots and lots of bottles. So, till next time, everybody, peace.